This is how you load a Relion Platinum lancing device. On each side there is 2 indentations. You put your fingers there and twist it and remove it. This is your lancet. You put it in, twist off the cap, and pinch those 2 sections again and twist. Pull this back and it's ready to go. This is the Relion glucose monitoring system. These are the strips. You take a strip, insert it like that, and it automatically comes on. These are the alcohol swabs I use. I usually use my thumb. Take the device, get a small droplet, take the monitoring system, and it's 90. So it is in the green range. This is how you remove the strip. There's a button on the side. You push it and it pops out. This is how you remove this. You take this, put it back in the cap, take the button on the side and push it out. Then you take it, pinch the 2 sides and click it back and it's ready for use again.